Hey guys, it's Anne here. In this Mingle review, I'm going to show you breakthrough software that will get you unlimited website hosting, cloud storage, and high-speed video hosting for a one-time low price with no recurring fees ever. Make sure you stay to this end of this review as I'm going to show you the different OTOs and upgrades to know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. You will see a link below this video. If you click on the link, you'll also be able to see all of the special bonuses that are available if you pick up from me. Also, please like this video as it really helps my YouTube channel, and to make sure to hit the subscribe button and bell notification, and I really appreciate it. Thank you. Okay, let's have a look at the bonus page. As you can see, these are some of the exclusive bonuses that will be available during this special launch, and should you decide to purchase from my link, all of these exclusive bonuses will be right inside your Borrow Plus account waiting for you after you purchase the Mingle software. Okay, let's do walkthrough together on the Mingle sales page. It's the breakthrough software to get you unlimited website hosting, cloud storage, high-speed video hosting for a one-time low price without any recurring fees ever. And with the Mingle, it will replace your web host, Dropbox, Vimeo, and Vista, and there's a commercial license which is already included in your purchase itself. With the Mingle, you can store and deliver any type of file. They can be video, PDF, images, documents, audio, and zip. And you get the unlimited viral traffic and leads from the file sharing pages inside, and you can always do a backup and store unlimited files. There is no limitation at all. It's all the applications you ever need all in one click. You can use for your personal use or for your business application, and you can stop paying monthly fees ever again separately for your website hosting, cloud storage, and your video storage. And the best part is, as mentioned earlier, you already have the commercial license included in your purchase itself. And for the first 100 buyers, you get a premium agency website, and you can start selling and make a profit from the Mingle quicker and faster. And these are some of the stats and the figures from the Mingle users. As you can see, they already start making profits. And with the zero fees, royalties, or commissions, you get 100% of the income to yourself. And with the Mingle, you can stop paying monthly fees ever again, such as HostGator, Google Drive, and Vimeo. You are paying hundreds of dollars every single year from using their services. And with that alone, you are saving a total value of $1,391 every single year. And inside the Mingle platform, you get the Mingle host, which is worth a value of $497 per year. You get everything you need in the web hosting solution. You get access to the blazing fast lightspeed web servers. You get the unlimited hosting, unlimited domains, SSL encryption, unlimited bandwidth, unlimited backup, unlimited database. You get a single-click app installer. You get access to the unlimited email accounts, unlimited subdomains. You have the newbie-friendly control panel inside, and also commercial license included. And it works in 3 simple steps. Step 1, log into the all-in-one hosting solution. Step 2, pick the service that you need, whether it's video hosting, file storage, or web hosting. Step 3, you start hosting, upload and share your files. And the second one you get is the Mingle Drive, which is worth a value of $497 per year. And you get access to everything you need in the cloud storage itself. You have the 250GB storage and hosting. You get access to the unlimited sharing, file preview, drag and drop approach, end-to-end encryption. You get a Smart Auto 30 days backup. You can store, deliver, and share any type of files that you want. You have the lightning speed with fast CDN. There's a fast image loading, simple dashboard inside. There's a full stats tracking, and also commercial license included. And in 3 simple steps. Step 1, click on upload. Step 2, drag and drop the files that you want. Step 3, add to the folder for your own organization, and you can start adding your own password control and also to share the files. And the last one you get is the Mingle Video, which is worth a value of $397 per year. And it will give you everything that you need in the video storage and for your delivery purposes. You have the newbie-friendly approach. You can host unlimited videos. There's ad-free videos. SEO friendly. You have the playlists and channels. Unlimited audience. You access to the 20,000 plus top media assets. Unlimited views, unlimited lead finds. You have the 30 gigabyte storage. Ultra fast bandwidth. You have the ultra light and attractive player. Lightning loading speed, you have the 100% traffic control. You can embed anywhere with easy embed code. You have the done for you HQ video templates. There's a drag and drop image editor, and all videos formats are supported. There's a social sharing inside. You have the 24/7 support and also the commercial license included. And in 3 simple steps as well. Step 1, you log into the all-in-one hosting solution. Step 2, pick the service that you need, whether it's video hosting, file storage, or web hosting. Step 3, you start hosting, upload, and share it with a full control over the privacy altogether. And with the Mingle software, you never have to pay monthly fees ever again because you're actually saving thousands of dollars every single year from using all these services. With the Mingle, it's only one-time low payment and straight away you get access to unlimited web hosting, unlimited storage, unlimited video hosting, and also the best part is the commercial license, which is already included for you in your purchase itself. And with that, you can start making money and profit right away immediately. And as you can see, Mingle is the all applications that you ever need all in one click in a single dashboard. And it's a value buy and a no-brainer system. Let's have a look at some of the testimonials from the Mingle users. This is an incredible software. It's the #1 business pack that helps you kickstart, grow, and scale your business, save you hundreds of dollars. Came as a shock because I only had to pay once and saved me the outrageous cost I was incurring every month for storing client files and data online. And let's do a recap on what you'll be getting if you decide to purchase the Mingle software. On the front-end product, you get the Mingle Host Unlimited Web Hosting, Mingle Drive Unlimited File and Video Storage, Mingle Video Unlimited Video Hosting, Sharing and Marketing. You get the commercial license, make money from Mingle. You get the fast action bonus. The first 100 buyers will get the premium agency website. And all this adds up to the value of $4,548 per year. And how much you'll be paying is only one-time low payment of $16.93. And on top of that, you get the money back guarantee, 100% risk-free. And you can always test drive the software, test drive the product, and you are back with the 90 days money back guarantee, 100% risk-free. And next, I'll walk you through on the demo of the software, come back to you showing you the different OTOs and upgrades to know exactly what you're getting if you decide to purchase, and I'll see you after this.
Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how the Mingle app works. So first of all, this is the dashboard, and right now I'm in my account. Here's the cloud storage feature. With the help of this cloud storage feature, you can host unlimited data like your images, videos, basically anything else. Over here, you can upload any file from your computer. Select the file when it's done, and you can get a shareable link. There are so many options like link expiration, when this link will expire, and password protection. You can enter any password, and your customer or user has to enter this same password to see this file. Allow editing. Like, you can simply give them permission to edit, and you can permit them to download or not. Okay, now click on the Create Link, and a link will be generated for you. Now users can open it. Simply check the image here. They can also download the image here. All right. There are lots of options. You can create a folder as well, like this. Okay, so if I want to move this file into the folder, I simply do that from here. Next, we have the video hosting feature. Here you can host all your videos. Okay, now let me upload and see how the video uploading works. As you can see, the speed is very good. Okay, so the video is done uploading, and here's the link. Here you can simply play the video. Now see, my video is playing right now. Okay, here you can copy this embed code, and you can put this video on any website, blog, or anywhere. And here's the share link to the video. You can simply send it to your friends, users, or customers so that they can watch the video. Also, you can directly share this video on 6 major social platforms. All right, so this is it about video hosting. Next is the thumbnail creator. With the help of this feature, you can create unlimited thumbnails, edit, and use on different platforms. Okay, come here to add the text. Here are the filters. You can use any type of filter here, like this. Go ahead and customize further. There are lots of features here to explore. Here we have over 20,000 stock assets ranging from premium assets videos, stock images, background audios, stock graphic icons. There are a lot of options here, and you can use them for your website creation and designs, etc. Next is a screen recorder. You can record your screen and share with others. In this next feature, you get 50+ SEO tools, which will be useful for your website ranking. They're all categorized into SEO tools, blogging tools, server tools, basic tools, even website tools. Finally, we have web hosting. Simply put the details here, then we'll receive your details, and then you'll get your hosting in the next 3 to 4 hours. This is all the tools in the dashboard. Okay, here's the support link. You can simply click here to get support or contact us for any inquiry. Thank you.
Okay, let's have a look at the different OTOs and upgrades to know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase or to upgrade your front-end product. For the first OTO you get is the Mingle Pro. It's the unlimited version, plus you get the developer's license of Mingle. Second OTO is the Mingle Premium Edition. You get the lifetime access to the brand new page builder and also the email autoresponder with unlimited version. Third OTO is the Mingle Enterprise. You get access to 10 done for your products to promote. You get the faster emailing, one-on-one VIP, priority support, and also the premium training. Fourth OTO is the Mingle Reseller. Fifth OTO is the Mingle Agency. You can create unlimited accounts to yourself, and you can sell them at any price you want and keep 100% of the profits to yourself. Or you can give them away to help grow your list, or you can even use them to offer services to your clients as well. 6 OTO is Mingle Money Blocks. 7 OTO is Mingle Traffic Edition. And the last one is Mingle Done For You. As you can see all together, there are 8 OTOs to the Mingle software. Thank you for watching my review. If not check out Mingle, please click on the link below. And be sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button and bell notification, as it really helps my YouTube channel. Once again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!